Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I have got a request to make veg mayonnaise from one of the subscribers. So I am going to make veg mayonnaise. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. So let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 100 grams fresh cream, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon mustard powder and 1 tablespoon oil. First, in a mixer jar we will put cream and 1 tablespoon of oil and blend well. Now in this we will put salt, black pepper powder, mustard powder, sugar, lemon juice and blend well. Now we will remove this in a bowl. This yummy veg mayonnaise is ready to use. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.